Hello world, my name is Sauqienloo from Selangor.
I'm Leslie Lim and I'm from Kuching.
And lastly, my name is Yann. I'm from Ipoh. So apart from the three of us, there's also Lokin K, Kong Woon Kit, and Go Jian. All of us are studying at UTAR Kampar, each of us taking different courses. As Malaysians, we pride ourselves on being one of the leading producers in the agriculture industry. However, according to research, our paddy produce has dipped from 10 to 15% since 2018. Why? Because farmers are not using the best fertilizer volume according to soil conditions. Since pH levels and temperature are two of the main contributing factors in deciding for best fertilizer volume, we have come up with a solution that addresses both these issues simultaneously and more.
With the help of technological advancement in this modern day and age, we introduce you Temphaduce. It's a thermometer, a pH tester, and a reporter of how much fertilizer you should use, all packaged into an efficient, easy-to-use product. It utilizes the technology of IoT to connect your soil conditions at a dedicated network, so that all essential information about your soil is right at your fingertips.
As if that wasn't enough, Temphaduce takes into account all of this minute detail and report to you the ideal amount of fertilizer that should be used. No longer will the potential of our country agriculture produce be limited. Get ready, because Malaysia is about to take the next great leap into a new paradigm for agriculture.